Hello everybody, this is Juan here in Tamarack, Florida, just recording a quick video and checking on the bees since it's been raining a lot for the last few weeks, and today it's been very sunny and a little bit extreme heat. I was waiting this afternoon so I can open up the beehive, get them a quick inspection and check on the honey. Here you can see me, I am opening my second beehive. It was sealed off everywhere, so I had to use a little bit of force to be able to open it up, but I got it. Hopefully there is some honey inside, but of course there was. I gonna show you right now. I am just putting a little bit of smoke to control the bees. They were very calm. It wasn't like too crazy flying around or anything. I really didn't have to do a lot to calm the bees down. These bees are pretty chill and they used to see me always in the patio, so it's very easy working with them. As you can see, I am softening a little bit the combs because those panels get stuck to each other like crazy. I am just inspecting that I don't take the queen out, so that way that one didn't have a lot of honey on it. It's still like forming, so I just put it right back so they keep working on it. It only have a little bit in one of the sides. I was trying to see which one I could pull out that have a little bit more of honey. There was one bee flying around my face, so it was kind of distracting me, but as you can see they seem pretty chill, most of them. So right now I pull up another one. This one seems a little bit better, but it's still drying out. Let me show you a little bit closer now. I'm gonna walk it to the camera. As you can see, this one is almost ready. It's drying out. It's pretty full. It's still one corner that they need to fill out, but I'm gonna give it a couple more weeks before I harvest this hive. But it seems that they're doing pretty good. There was a lot of cap honey, so this one was also like almost full, the same as the other one. There was just one tiny bit of space, but if you see, this one was full of honey. They just need to cap this one completely. I think it's still in the process of drying up the honey. So I decided from this one I wasn't gonna take any honey because this one still need a little bit of time. The thing with honey is that it need to be completely capped, because if not, the content of moisture in the honey is over 20%, and then the honey could get a little bit fermented when you collect it. So I'm gonna move now to the main beehive to check on how that one is doing, because I know that one is overflowing with honey. As you can see me, I am prepping here. I had one of the flow hive on the top, but I checked that one and it didn't have much yet. They still working in the super underneath. That one was completely packed. Even though this one was very heavy, it didn't have that much honey. But this one over here, I was getting a little bit more bees action, so I just spray a little bit of smoke and they're easy to control. This one wasn't also that bad. I was able to manage to control them pretty quick. This is my queen separator so she doesn't get into the flow hive. This one was overflowing with honey. It's pretty much everywhere. They just need to cap it completely. I harvested a couple of the cells because it was getting really stuck with honey. As you can see, this one was completely full of honey. So Here I am extracting the honey and filtering it through 3 different filters and a very fine cloth also to remove any particles. I got about 2 fingers of honey because it was only 2 cells that I harvest, and here is some honeycombs to eat later on. And that's pretty much it. Let's hope